Hi, welcome back to this week's RafflesCooks video. YouTube money is flowing in at the moment, so I've gone ahead and bought a brand new Ninja CREAMI Deluxe. Hey Raffles, isn't the Ninja CREAMI just a glorified blender? Great question, no hats inside please. But no, this is not a glorified blender. It is a specialist ice cream machine that requires no churning and it's super easy and tasty to make. Yeah, so that is pretty damn neat. It really is, isn't it? I did say no hats inside though. Oh. Ow! So, let's unbox this bad boy and see what we have inside. Now for the unboxing, I've got my friend and world's professional unboxer, Georgia. Thank you again for helping me.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Pleasure. Let's see what we got inside.
Right.
Zip zoop! Tub number 1. Tub numero 2.
Lid. Influencer. Lid.
Tub
Lid.
tress.
Does it go on? It doesn't go on that.
And the pièce de résistance, the actual Ninja CREAMI.
Woo!
Raffles, I don't see any FROYO stuff.
Heavens forfend! Let's pop to Sainsbury's right away.
We must. Onwards!
Onwards.
Privacy. Privacy only.
So, now we're back from Sainsbury's after a very speedy shopping run. I'm going to make 2 ice creams in this. One straight from the recipe book, a nice strawberry and vanilla FROYO, and another one, a chocolate and cherry protein thing. Hopefully that's nice.
It won't
Both
be.
recipes down in the caption below. So we have our cherry chocolate protein flavour and our strawberry FROYO flavour. Gonna put these bad boys in the freezer and we'll check back in about 24 hours. Make sure they're really, really versatile, otherwise wonkiness is never good.
Wonkiness is very bad.
Hey, Raffles. Yes, sir. Look, here at RafflesCooks Corp Inc. Limited, we need to get a video out today. I understand that the ice cream just takes 24 hours to freeze. The video just can't be ready to be released yet. Look, I hear you. Get this out today and do the other tomorrow. And that's an order. Okay, I understand. I'll get that done.